The Stoic Tide, the three ancient skills every older man must master to truly live. Gentlemen, let's strip away the noise for a moment. The world tells us to slow down as we age, to retire, to fade, to watch life pass by. But I'm here to tell you something different. You are not done, not by a long shot. In fact, your most powerful, unshakable years can begin right now. Because what separates men who merely survive from those who truly thrive in their later years isn't youth, money, or luck. It's wisdom, it's presence, it's mastery of the three timeless Stoic skills that transform aging from decline into dominion. Let's begin. 1. The art of letting go, the liberation of the mind. As young men, we grasp at everything: control, success, validation. We chase dreams, titles, muscles, and numbers in a bank account. But with time, life begins to peel those illusions away. The Stoics, men like Marcus Aurelius, a ruler of an empire yet humble in his humanity, understood this truth. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. The first skill, the art of letting go, is not defeat. It's freedom. It's the moment you stop fighting the river and start flowing with it. You stop resenting what you've lost and begin to appreciate what remains. The career that didn't go as planned, the strength that's faded. These are not failures. They're transformations. The Stoic doesn't cling to what was. He commands what is. Look at your reflection not as a reminder of time past, but as proof of endurance. The wrinkles, the scars, they're medals of a life lived fully. Let go, and in letting go, discover peace. 2. The fortress within, mastering resilience. Here's the second truth, the one the modern world hides from you. Pain will come, but suffering is optional. Loss, illness, loneliness, these storms visit every man. But the Stoic doesn't beg the sky to stop raining. He builds shelter within himself. Seneca warned us, we suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Think about that. The worries that haunt you, the fears that wake you at night, they live mostly in your mind. So build your fortress there, through reflection, through silence, through strength that no chaos can shake. Each morning ask yourself, what can I control today? My actions, my reactions, my effort. And each evening reflect, what did I learn? What can I release? You are not the weak sum of your fears. You are the calm in the storm, the stillness that remains when everything else burns away. 3. The fire of giving back. Legacy, not loneliness. Now, the third mastery, contribution, the wisdom of turning outward. In your youth, you built, you conquered. But in your maturity, your mission changes from accumulation to illumination. Cicero said it best. To be ignorant of what occurred before you were born is to remain always a child. And you, my friend, are no child. You are a living archive of victories, mistakes, love, and lessons. So teach, mentor, guide. Not for applause, but because wisdom unused turns to dust. Your greatest legacy won to be your possessions. It'll be the lives you ignite with your example. Volunteer, share your stories, be the calm presence others anchor to. You'll find that giving doesn't empty you, it fills you. It reminds you that your purpose never left. It simply evolved. Gentlemen, understand this. Stoicism is not about suppressing emotion or pretending you don't care. It's about transcending chaos. It's about knowing that though the body may age, the spirit can remain timeless. So, let go of what you cannot change. Strengthen what lies within, and give back what the years have given you. Because when you master these three Stoic arts, you don't just age, you ascend. And that is how you live not merely as a man of years, but as a man of wisdom. If this message stirred something within you, join us here at the Stoic Tide. Because true strength isn't found in your youth, it's found in your evolution. Live with wisdom, live with purpose, live with peace,